the ultimate protein, vitamin and mineral plant, the moringa. Let's dive into it to know more.
Is moringa better than the best multivitamin? Well, let's dive into the world of this fascinating plant. Known as Moringa oleifera, this humble tree is often referred to by its common names like the drumstick tree, horseradish tree, or the miracle tree. Originating from the foothills of the Himalayas in India, it has spread far and wide across tropical and subtropical regions worldwide. But what's so special about moringa? For centuries, it's been used in traditional medicine, from the Ayurvedic practices of India to the herbal remedies of Africa. Every part of the tree, leaves, seeds, flowers, and even the bark, has a purpose. It's been hailed for its potential to combat everything from malnutrition to inflammation. So what makes moringa a contender against multivitamins? Let's explore. Moringa oleifera is often referred to as the miracle tree. But why? Let's delve into the health benefits of this extraordinary plant and uncover the secrets behind its nickname. Moringa oleifera is a nutrient powerhouse brimming with vitamins, minerals, and amino acids. Imagine a tree that offers you an abundance of vitamin A, vitamin C, calcium, potassium, and protein. It's like having your own natural multivitamin growing in your backyard. But it doesn't stop there. Moringa is also rich in antioxidants, those vital compounds that combat harmful free radicals in our body. These antioxidants contribute to the plant's anti-inflammatory properties, helping to soothe chronic inflammation, a common culprit in many health issues. The health benefits of moringa are not just limited to general well-being, they extend to specific conditions as well. For instance, moringa has been shown to have tissue protective properties. This means it can help protect your liver, kidneys, heart, and lungs, contributing to their overall health and function. Now let's talk about diabetes. Managing this condition often feels like walking a tightrope, doesn't it? Well, moringa might help to provide some balance. Studies suggest that moringa can help reduce some symptoms of diabetes by helping to regulate blood sugar levels. What about heart health? Yes, moringa has got that covered too. It helps protect the heart by reducing cholesterol levels and controlling blood pressure. And let's not forget about the immune system. In a world where our immune health is more important than ever, moringa comes to the rescue again. It provides a natural boost to our body's defenses, helping us fight off illnesses more effectively. Lastly, moringa can also contribute to improved eye health. It's rich in antioxidants known to protect the eye's retinas, reducing the risk of macular degeneration and vision loss. With all these benefits, it's no wonder moringa is gaining popularity. But how does it compare to multivitamins? Multivitamins are a common go-to for many seeking to boost their health. But could moringa be a better option? Now let's delve into this comparison. Moringa oleifera, also known as the miracle tree, is a natural powerhouse of nutrients, unlike multivitamins, which are often synthetically made. This means your body can absorb and utilize these nutrients more efficiently from moringa than from synthetic supplements. Furthermore, moringa boasts a more diverse range of nutrients than most multivitamins. It's packed with proteins, vitamins, and minerals, including those not commonly found in your run-of-the-mill multivitamin. We're talking about nutrients like beta-carotene, vitamin C, calcium, and even potassium. However, it's important to note that both moringa and multivitamins have their places in our diets. They can both provide essential nutrients that might be missing from our daily food intake. While both have their places, moringa's natural composition and wide range of nutrients make it a strong contender. Remember, always consider your personal health needs and consult a healthcare professional before making any significant changes to your diet or supplement routine.
Subscribe to Nourish Nest